Understanding the world of mobile game forums. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to dive into a fascinating topic that's become a big part of our digital lives: mobile game forums. Whether you're a gamer or just curious, understanding these online communities is essential in today's world. So, let's explore what these forums are, how they work, and why they matter. Imagine a virtual meeting place where people from all around the world gather to talk about their favorite mobile games. That's what a mobile game forum is. It's an online platform where users discuss various aspects of mobile games, from sharing tips and tricks to discussing game updates, and even making new friends who share similar interests. These forums are accessible through the internet, making it easy for anyone with a smartphone or computer to join the conversation. In this section, we'll uncover what makes these forums so engaging. 1. Discussion threads. Users can start or join conversations on different topics related to mobile games. 2. User profiles. Members have their own profiles where they can share information about their gaming interests. 3. Private messaging. Users can send private messages to each other, fostering personal connections. 4. Game updates. Forums often provide news about game updates, new levels, or special events. 5. Community support. Players help each other by answering game-related questions or solving technical issues. Participating in these forums can be incredibly rewarding. Here's why. Knowledge sharing. Learn new strategies and get tips from experienced players. Community feeling. Be part of a community that shares your passion for mobile games. Staying updated. Keep up with the latest news and updates about your favorite games. Problem solving. Get solutions to game-related issues from community members. We hope this journey into the world of mobile game forums has been enlightening. These platforms offer more than just game discussions. They're vibrant communities where friendships are formed, knowledge is shared, and countless hours of fun are had. If you're a gaming enthusiast or just curious, diving into a mobile game forum might just be your next great adventure. Happy gaming, and see you in the forums!